My wife went to Walmart, and to help feed my addiction, she picked me up a Paradox Rift single pack here with a bonus card. And we're going to call it a mystery tin because I don't see, this is Gala Power on here, which I don't know what that is. So let's open these up and see what's in them. First, the Gala Power. Whatever that means. We're just going to call it mystery tin because for me it is a mystery. For many of you, you probably know what this is. But I'm going to consider it a mystery tin because we got a coin. We have this little card here. Oh, this is a nice 2 packs. Okay. We got an Evolving Skies. That's not so bad. And a Fusion Strike. Not so bad at all. I'm kind of happy with those. All right, let's open them up. Let's do the Fusion Strike first. All right, so let's get over here like this. Ooh. Caterpie. Was it Drillbur? Drillbur. What is it? A Quarry Knight. And look at that. Was it a Trinectar? Nice. Full art. That's cool. All right. And an energy. That's a basic. All right, cool. Let's open the next one. Evolving Skies. Ah, see that one popped open. Nice. Mareep. Zora. The Explorer. Tentacool. He's so cool. Pop it. Dino. All right. What's this? What's it? Hit Munchin. Kind of a reverse hollow-y thing. And Smirtle. And a basic power. And a crustal. Okay. So that's those. Let's open up this one. What's the easiest way to pop this thing open? It looks like right here. Okay. That actually was easier than I thought it would be. Okay, get all the way. Oops, sorry for the noise. We have our Paradox Rift. And then we have the bonus card with the Sinistea. Cool. We have our code card. Put that back there. We got a coin. Pikachu. And then we got our Paradox Rift pack here. Let's see what's inside it. If I can open this one. Oh, there we go. Maybe it's just the angle I'm going at. Okay, what we got here? Onyx. Okay, Onyx. Tinkatink. Charcadet. Flittle. A luxurious cape. There it is. Cyclizard. Okay, we'll live with that. Simismere. Yeah. We have a Technical Machine Turbo Energize. A Crystal. And then we got a trainer, Roark. That is pretty much full art. Yeah, we'll put that over there. And our basic energy. So these had a hologram to them, so I pulled out the holograms. And so out of 3 packs, we ended up with this trainer card, the Technical Machine. The Crustal has a hologram to it. The Sinistea, which seems like an odd Pokemon. The Hitmonchan. The Quarry Knight. And the Roark trainer. Oh, I'm sorry. One more. Tyranitar. I think it's pretty good for 3 packs that my wife randomly grabbed off at EO Walmart. So not bad. Let's see if Pokey Cafe agrees with my plans. But as always, please comment, like, and follow. I appreciate it.